approve those amendments and the entire bills as it were. 3 papers are also expected to be presented, tabled in the Senate this afternoon. 3 reports, all from the Auditor General. One on the financial statement of the Nyeri Water and Sanitation Company Limited for the year ended 30th June 2022. Another on the financial statement of the Mumias Municipality for 22 months, a period ending 30th June 2022. And the other, a financial statement of Thika Municipality for the year ended 30th June 2022. These 3 reports will be tabled for consideration by senators this afternoon. Also pending before the Senate, 3 petitions. One from Mr. Elijah Madhungi on behalf of the Supply Chain Management Assistants, and this concerns discrimination against other health workers in the Ministry of Health, a petition that will be delivered in the Senate by the Speaker himself. There is also a report of the Standing Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs and Human Rights on a petition to the Senate concerning the delay in developing and launching a Victims' Rights Charter as provided for under Victim Protection Act number 17 of the year 2014. And then there is also another report from the same committee, and that is from Mr. Paulo Mutembei and 19 others concerning historical injustices suffered by the Toro Bay community, a community that is seeking recognition and identification as a marginalized community, and that is seeking to have their rights upheld as all Kenyans. Also lined up are a number of questions, 3 to be exact, and statements. One is from nominated Senator Hamida Kibwana. She'll be seeking a statement from the Standing Committee on Health regarding alleged medical negligence at the Kiambu County Referral Hospital, a facility that has been making news in the recent past. One of the most recent cases being a woman whose baby died during delivery. And then there is another statement that is required from the Standing Committee on Health regarding the status of medical care at the Mathare Mental and Referral Hospital, a statement that is being sought by the same Senator Hamida Kibwana. And then nominated Senator Esther Okenyuri will be seeking a statement from the Standing Committee on National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations concerning the boundary delimitation between Kenya and Uganda in Lake Victoria. All those and much, much more are expected in this afternoon's sitting, and that is if a quorum is attained. Remember, 15 members are required, or at least that is what the standing orders require, that they need to be 15 for business to be conducted in the Senate. The quorum bell is still ringing. Clarion call really to members who may be within the precincts of Parliament but who are yet to come into the Senate chambers to do so. This being the second day of sittings, senators having resumed plenary sessions yesterday, that is Tuesday 18th July. They just returned from a 2-week break. And there is quite a bit that requires their attention. In the Senate, via debates of bills and motions and reports and petitions, in addition to the other rules that they undertake in the various committees in which they serve, and which also run sessions sometimes concurrently with the plenary sittings. If that quorum is attained, there is also expected the tabling of evidence by two senators, and they are Senator Daniel Maanzo and Senator Samson Cherargei, and this regards remarks they made yesterday evening when the Senate adjourned sittings to discuss the ongoing anti-government protests.
Proceed to ring the quorum bell yet again for 10 minutes.